Your vehicle may be equipped with an adaptive cruise control system that enhances the standard cruise control function. Adaptive cruise control uses a radar sensor or camera to detect objects in front of the vehicle. The system will adjust the speed of the vehicle to accommodate a slower moving object in front of it. Both standard adaptive cruise control and adaptive with lane departure will show the distance to the object in front, measured in seconds. The driver has the option of setting the adjustment to either maintain a certain distance from the object in front or maintain a speed of the forward object. The system visually and audibly warns you so that you can react to the situation and avoid a collision altogether. If you fail to react to the warning and don't take action, the collision mitigation system will apply the brakes in an effort to reduce the severity of the impending collision. Vehicles with optional lane departure warning will have the ability to highlight the left and right side of the lane in the display area. If the vehicle begins to drift from the intended lane, the lane departure warning system alerts you if you go over 6 inches to the left or right of the lane marking. Vehicles with lane departure features have the ability to recognize traffic signs for speed limits. Blue and red markers on top of the speed sign will light up when the system detects that it is traveling faster than the posted speed limit.